Good morning. Today I'm going to be sorting through a bag of jewelry I got at Madison, Bouckville. There was a lot of snazzy jewelry at Madison, Bouckville, like tons, pounds. And the prices, honestly, on a lot of it were full retail. However, I was able to sift through and dig through some great deals. I paid up for a couple things here and there, but my cost average was insane. So check out the first load of what I got. You know, I love my cats. This adorable little cat beaded pin. $4. Again, I did do a lot of bundle deals on stuff. This is Victorian. That's amazing. That blue glass piece. So pretty. This is one of my favorites, this enameled piece. There's something about it. It was $12, but look at that. It's got such great color to it. Kind of royal. There's something about that gouache. I believe that's how you say it. I swear, I can't pronounce so many things. That just really attracts me. The enameling for sure. Now this Victorian piece, look at this one. This is gorgeous. I paid $28 for it. Actually, that's not true. It was $38, and I think I paid $35 or $30. That's it. I don't remember exactly, but that's gorgeous. It almost looks like little garnets. They might be. Amazing Victorian piece. Now this one I got for $1. I want to sell it, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. That kind of looks like something that's not allowed to be sold online. But again, for $1, so cute. I love the carving. A couple Bakelite bangles. This one, well, I assumed Bakelite. $25 on the faceted. Again, I got a lot of bundle deals. And then this green one, so neat. I'm going to test both of them right now with semi-chrome. Now, black and red are notoriously hard to test. I took the semi-chrome, looks pink, and give it a good rub. Yep. So it turned a yellowish brown. So that is, in fact, Bakelite, just as I suspected. Awesome. Man, I love the faceted Bakelite. And again, pink. Green is easy to test. I'm pretty sure this is Bakelite. Yep. Bright yellow. Well, yellowish brown. Score. All right, and here's some more. Check out this awesome lucite ring. Man, that thing is totally killer. I love that kind of like Rivoli black rhinestone in the middle. This is also carved Bakelite, the little rose brooch. I'm sorting into two piles. This pile will be a jewelry sale, and then this will get scattered in. Really beautiful Victorian stick pin. Gosh, I don't know what it is about the Victorian stuff. And speaking of Victorian, check out this. This thing's so cool. This little bracelet with the purple stones in it, $6. Adorable. And then a pair of micro mosaic screwback earrings, of course marked made in Italy. Man, this bracelet is so neat. I love the design of it and the way the hearts dangle. Let's see, I'm gonna put it on this way. Nope, the other way, so they... And then it just slides like that to fit. So cute. All right, now check this guy out. Crazy rhinestone brooch. And one thing I've been obsessed with recently is the antique cut steel. This was probably part of a buckle or a shoe clip. Look at the craftsmanship in that incredible antique piece. Yes, here's a buckle. This is most likely French, I would assume. It's not marked though. A lot of the times I find them they are. This is a really neat piece, probably Czech. Again, Victorian, $6 on that, really old. This one's really old too. It's got some, ooh, there you go. It's got a little verdigris, a little wear, but $3. I mean, you can't beat that. Another Bakelite bangle. Gosh, they just keep coming. Uh-oh, what's this enamel piece? Oh, nice mid-century enamel over copper. That one almost reminded me of a face. And then a micro mosaic. Again, made in Italy. And then what is this little guy? Oh, that's so cute. Look at how old the clasp on that is. $2 on this Victorian bow. And yes, check out this crazy carved Bakelite butterscotch brooch. Kind of looks like cherries. Now, I'm admittedly not up to date on all my jewelry makers, although this thing, look at this crazy black rhinestone star. It was marked Coro, but it's actually Carew, which I think is pretty high dollar. I've never seen a star one. Very cool. And then the best metal enamel flower pin. Look at that with the pink and purple. In great condition too. Another thing I've been super into recently is antique clips. I mean, they make like fancy paper clips, right? This is a gorgeous one. Again, I'm assuming Czech. A little micro mosaic. Look at how old the back of that is. Gorgeous. And then here, another really pretty antique piece. So sweet. And this thing, oh my gosh, look at these buttons. They're cut steel and they're shaped as crowns. How cool are they? They might have been like slides actually for something. I'm not really sure. Really, really great shape. Again, the cut steel is amazing. Another metal enamel flower pin. Flower pin. We love our flower pins. And, ooh, a little string. Look at this gorgeous one. With that's glass in the middle. Faceted. Another fun metal enamel flower pin, but one of my favorite types of flower pins are the daisies with the plastic petals. And then here, this one's antique as well. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, killer. And then Itali. Itali. Why do I always do that? I go to say Italian and I say Italian. Vintage Murano glass necklace. That's gorgeous with the butterfly. And then this sweet little micro mosaic trinket box. You guys know I love the little boxes. So cute. Look at this necklace. It's incredible. Antique. I wrapped it twice. It's really, really long. Gosh. And it's all glass. Again, a little bit of wear to it, but I don't mind. Look at how pretty that is. And I want to say I ended up getting this one for $35. Fun little lucite stick pin. I love the double-sided stick pins. Unfortunately, it is missing one stone. Still cute. This is a great bangle. Look at this one. I've never seen it with black and white, black and yellow polka dots. And again, a nice little ambery stretch one. Always fun to have some stretchy, funky. Just a couple things left in this bag. Small but mighty. Oh my gosh. I always love finding these for cheap. They're so hard to come by. Usually when you see them, people don't even want to sell them. Look at that sweet little ring box. And then here, these are awesome buttons. And those are Bakelite with the mother of pearl. Carved too. So cool. And then the last thing in this bag is super exciting. Look at this giant plastic daisy necklace. Ah, so fun. I got this one for $3. So this one that I'm working on, the jewelry sale, I'm going to count out 50 lots. So far I have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So I guess we're going to start going through this box. This is amazing. This was all purchased at one single antique mall. There's some real quality stuff in here. It's totally nuts. I mean, there's antique, look at this belt. This is all I need to show you. I mean, this thing. Antique Czech belt. Are you kidding me? This thing is amazing. And guess how much I paid for it? $10. $10. So crazy. With the blue faceted glass. Wow. I love the little dangle on it. Look at this thing. The detail in it is awesome. So pretty. But we still need 21 lots for that jewelry sale. Look at this, the little dragonfly, $3. The prices here were crazy. Look at this older rhinestone piece for $1. This one's pretty awesome, the like star sun. There's a little bit of wear on it, but it was $5 and I was kind of rushed. I didn't notice that little spot. I might not have picked it up otherwise, but either way, this one is marked Benedict. No, that's not what that, yeah, it is Benedict. I'm not familiar with that one. Probably really good. I got a lot of designer costume out of that case. And a really fun expandable rhinestone bracelet, $3. Can't beat it. All right, so I pulled out the remaining pieces. I love these little brooches, the face brooches. I'd never seen so many in good condition. I got 3 of them, all different, for $30. Just so cute. I love that they all have accessories. And then here, this is a really neat enamel over copper piece. It looks like it was just a trinket dish and somebody made it into a brooch. But I love the color of that. Like I said, the prices in this place were insane. This cute little lovebirds piece. It's a brooch as well as a pendant, and it was only $1. Nice metal enamel flower brooch, $6 on that. I mean, Betsy Johnson earrings for $1. Another fun beaded piece. I don't know what it is about these. I like these so much. $5 on that. And then another enameled piece with the rhinestone, $3. A mother of pearl bird pin, again, $3. Fun Sarah Coventry. This one was $6. Great price on that. Now here's 2 things I just adore. Lenticular things. Look at this lenticular ring of the girl talking on the telephone. That hits so many things in one. Lenticular, the little plastic rings, and it's the teenage girl on the telephone. Those are kind of hard to come by. I've never seen one with the telephone girl, especially not for $3. Another thing, I have a small hoard of them, I can't lie, are the vintage name brooches. I think that's so cool. Early plastic. Look at the backing on that. And that was only $1. Another really pretty heart rhinestone piece. The back almost looks check. I'm not sure about that one. But what I do know is that I saw this. It came in a group of 2. There was a one that was different. It's like a lucite one. These little clips. Now that is check glass. That was $3 for the pair. Nice little rhinestone piece. Again, $3. You couldn't beat the prices here. Another rhinestone heart. And a big blue rhinestone. Now that stone is plastic, but I don't know what it is about a big chunky rhinestone like that. I just love the look. I have a couple coats and I wear stuff like this all the time on them. Well, I have more than a couple coats. I have a couple coats that are covered in these. How about that? And then last but not least, look at this little Betty Boop pin. She's just so cute. She was $5. I never get Betty Boop stuff. It's usually expensive. And then somebody put a little earring in her to make it look like she was carrying razzle dazzles. I just thought it was sweet. Now time to take the cover photo for this guy and schedule. So I just scheduled that sale on Whatnot for Tuesday, August 19th at 3 p.m. Come back because there's huge amounts more. I mean, huge amounts more. We haven't even gotten into, well, half the stuff I got, honestly. And in that box, I still think I have Miriam Haskell. I have Juliana. I have all kinds of stuff. And yes, I kind of stole this bracelet for the time being. But I hope to see you there, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.